A very warm welcome to all of you guys. I hope you all are having a great time. I am Subbu and welcome to my YouTube channel BY-M1 HD. And today's video we are having a small unboxing of my new mic which I bought this Boya BY-M1. So I bought this Boya BY-M1. Till now I was using this mic Havik HV-M60. Havik HV-M60 I was using till now, and I don't know what happened. It's not working. Maybe some cable issue. I don't know. I didn't check what's the issue. But when I connect the mic, the audio is not coming out. So that's why I replaced this mic with Boya BY-M1. I'm having the package of Boya BY-M1, and be aware when you want to buy. Be aware with the fake one. So you can see the picture on the screen that the fake logo and the original logo is different. So be aware when you buy, just check it out, make it confirm before you buy. And without wasting the time, let's open the package. And at the last, I want to show you that how you can connect this mic with your smartphone. So this is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. So I am going to show you that how you can connect the external mic with your Xiaomi phone. So stay tuned, and without wasting the time, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so let's open the package. And this is the mic which I got inside the package, and you have to see the logo, that this logo is correct because everything is on this logo, and this is the authentic original Boya microphone BY-M1. So please make sure that you buy an original one, not the fake. And let's open what we get inside. Oh, so there is a pouch. Here we get the pouch of Boya. Here also we have branding logo on the pouch, and inside that we get the warranty card and instruction manual. Let's open the pouch. What we get inside the pouch, let's take it out. Okay, we get this all inside the package, a microphone and some, I have to check this out. What is this? A foam for the microphone, converter for our mic, and here we get a clip and one small battery. So this is a condenser microphone, so we get the battery and a clip, collar clip. So we get this collar clip with this, and here is a small compartment for the battery. So this way we have to put in the battery and close it. That's it. And this is for noise reduction, this foam. I'm gonna keep this also here. And here we get a clip. Okay, so here we get the clip for our collar clip, this, and this is how we have to fix this. And right now you are listening, the audio is from the onboard camera. So right now you are listening, the audio is from the onboard camera, and I gonna plug this mic and we will see the result. So here we have the option for the camera and for the smartphone. So camera is like a DSLR, which we are watching this video from the DSLR camera, and if you wanna use on smartphone, so here is a switch, so you can switch this. Oh, this is a switch for camera, and this is switch for microphone. So right now we are keeping this on the camera. The audio we are listening is from the onboard mic on this camera, but now we wanna plug this in. Okay, so the audio you are listening right now is from the mic of Boya M1. So you can see the difference, that the audio quality is completely changed. So this is the Boya microphone, and now we gonna connect this Boya with our Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. So lots of people having a request for the video how we can connect the microphone in the Xiaomi phone. So I'm gonna show you that how you can connect this. So stay tuned, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Do not go without subscribe. What you have to do to use the microphone on your Xiaomi device, you just have to download the application Open Camera. So this is the application Open Camera. You have to download this, install. Okay, Open Camera, open this, allow. Okay, setting, video setting, and after that audio source. So here you have to select the external mic. So this is external mic. This is the audio quality of internal microphone of Xiaomi, and now we will switch this quality to the Boya microphone which I want to connect this. So we already switched to the Boya microphone, and you can find the difference. The audio quality is completely changed. So audio we are getting from the BY-M1, BY-M1 is so nice. And one more thing, whenever you are using this device, so make sure that you are on the perfect mode, on your correct mode. So here we have the camera mode. So this is for the DSLR. So this is camera mode for the DSLR. And for the smartphone, you have to switch it down. If you didn't switch down, the audio will not record. So make sure when you want to record this, you have to toggle this switch. So toggle it down for the smartphone, and when you are using on the camera, so DSLR camera, so switch it, toggle it up. I hope you found this video informative, and if you found this video informative, please subscribe and do not forget to like and comment down below if you are having a problem. If you can't connect your phone with your smartphone, or if you can't connect your DSLR with this Boya M1, so please let me know. We will try to fix it out in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell notification icon. And we are on Facebook and Instagram also. The links are flashing on the screen, and you can find the link below in the description also. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing of this Boya BY-M1. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Till then, stay aware, stay conscious, and stay safe.